What if I told you that the forest you walk through is more like a bustling, intelligent city than just a collection of trees? Get ready, because these 5 facts are about to completely change the way you see the woods. First up, did you know trees can talk to each other? No, they don't have mouths, but they do have a secret underground network. It's a complex web of fungi connecting their roots, kind of like a biological internet. Scientists call it the Wood Wide Web. Through this network, trees can send warnings about insect attacks, share nutrients with struggling neighbors, and even pass resources from a dying mother tree to its saplings. So, when you're walking in a forest, you're literally walking over a massive, ongoing conversation. It's a community, not just a bunch of individual trees. Next, let's talk about a tree's heartbeat. That's right, trees have a kind of pulse. It's incredibly slow, so you can't feel it by putting your ear to the trunk. But researchers have discovered that trees' branches move up and down slightly throughout the night, about a few centimeters. This movement corresponds with the pumping of water from their roots all the way up to their leaves. It's like a very, very slow heartbeat, a rhythm of life happening all around us, just on a different timescale. Imagine, the entire forest is gently pulsing with life while we sleep. Fact number 3 is a bit of a survival masterclass. Trees can defend themselves. When a tree is being munched on by insects, it doesn't just sit there and take it. It releases airborne chemical signals, like a distress call. Other trees nearby can pick up these signals and start producing defensive compounds in their leaves, making them taste bitter and less appealing to the attackers. So, the first tree essentially warns its neighbors, "Hey guys, pests are here. Time to taste bad." It's a coordinated, forest-wide defense system. Now, for our 4th fact. Trees are rainmakers. You might think rain comes from the ocean, and you're partly right. But a huge amount of rainfall, especially inland, is actually generated by forests themselves. Through a process called transpiration, a large tree can release hundreds of gallons of water vapor into the atmosphere every single day. This creates humidity and forms clouds, which then produce rain. It's a powerful, self-sustaining cycle. A healthy forest doesn't just need rain, it actively creates it. Lose the forest, and you could lose the rain. Finally, our 5th fact reveals that trees are social beings that care for their own. In a mature forest, the towering mother trees with the biggest root and fungal networks act as central hubs. They don't just hoard sunlight and resources. They actively nurture the young saplings growing in their shade, sending them the carbon and nutrients they need to survive until they can reach the sunlight themselves. They even recognize their own kin and favor them over unrelated seedlings. It's a beautiful display of cooperation and community, proving that a forest is much more like a family. So, the next time you walk among the trees, remember you're not just in a quiet place. You're in the middle of a complex, communicating, and caring society. There is a whole world of invisible connections and secret conversations happening right under your feet and all around you. It really makes you appreciate just how amazing our planet's forests are. Thanks for watching. If these facts blew your mind, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content. See you next time.